How to add back removed friends on Snapchat. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can easily add back removed friends on your Snapchat. But before we get started, I want you to head down below to give this video a quick thumbs up and hit the subscribe button as well. So, the first thing that you need to do is find the username of this particular person. So let's say if I just remove this person as a friend on my friend list, so the first thing you can do to add them back is go ahead and tap on the search bar at the top right corner to add friends. And here on the search bar, you are just going to search for their username. And once you find their username, you are just going to enter their, add them as your friend. So here is the person that I just unfriended. So if I want to add him back, I'm just going to tap on this add button right besides the name. And from here, if they accept your friend request, you should be added back to your account. But if they are on your contact list, it's even easier to find them. So you just have to tap on add all contacts. And once you sync your contacts with Snapchat, you should be able to find them. So that's pretty much it. I hope you found it helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.